It's genuinely so bad. This is actually ridiculous. Hello guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a huge closet clean out and decluttering. I'm actually going home to New Jersey in a few days and I need to start packing for what I'm going to call my summer vacation, because now that I live in Florida, going home for the summer is what I consider a longer trip, and me and my boyfriend are going home for 11 days. So because we only have 8 days left here in Florida before going back to Jersey, I figured before packing it would be a good idea to get my closet intact because there's clothes everywhere. I have way too many clothes and I want to donate and give some of them to my friends. So with that being said, we're going to do a huge closet clean out. I do want to make the disclaimer that I am aware I have a lot of clothes, and I also want to say the reason I have so many is also because I have PCOS and my weight fluctuates a lot, so I don't get rid of the things that I know I'm going to need again, if that makes sense. But at the same time, I also am aware that I have way too many right now and I need to donate some and give some to my friends and just make everything a lot more organized and clean. I am not trying to brag in any way. This is just for entertainment purposes, and I'm so thankful to be able to have everything that I do have. With all that being said, let me show you my closet because it's bad. So this is what we're working with. It honestly doesn't look that bad. It kind of just looks very cluttered until I show you the floor. I can't even see the floor, and I fear that's a problem. So this is the first closet. This is the second closet where I keep my jackets and my cardigans and my sweatshirts. This one isn't that bad. It just needs to be decluttered in the sense of donating and giving my friends some of my sweatshirts because I have way too many. But the main problem is this closet, and also this door doesn't even open all the way because there's clothes blocking it. So we are going to start with this. I also have this huge vacuum sealed bag that was in my car, and it's all my dresses and I haven't gone through them yet. This is from when I moved to Florida, which was in October. We definitely need to go through that as well because I have no idea what's going on here. I think what I'm going to do first is get everything off the floor in my closet and put it on my bed so that I can sort through the things that I want to donate, the things that I want to give to my friends, and the things I want to keep. I feel like that is the best way to go about things because the angle of my closet, I feel like you're not going to be able to see anything, and I also feel like I'm not going to have enough room to make piles. So I'm going to bring everything out and put it on my bed, and it's going to look a little crazy, but it's okay because we're going to get through together, and at least I'm not putting it off any more than I already have. I'm wearing the most oversized outfit I could have picked because if I'm going to be cleaning, especially deep cleaning, I like to be comfortable, but at the same time, whenever I do a closet clean out, I start sweating profusely. So this probably isn't a good outfit choice, but it's comfortable for now. It's genuinely so bad. Me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty. This is actually ridiculous. I used to think that I think I'm going to start with this and start making piles of the things I want to keep, the things I want to donate, and the things I want my friends to have. Through and sorted everything into piles. We're not even close to done with my closet, but I want to get this bag emptied so that I'm not staring at it because it's really annoying me. Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising. My piles on the floor from everything that was on the floor in my closet and everything that was in the bag. Now I'm going to go through everything that's actually hanging up in my closet and go through what I want to keep, donate, and give to my friends. What I like to do is if I haven't worn it in the past 6 months, donate it or give it to my friends because I probably won't wear it again. At least the door opens more now. My Mickey ears are on the floor. is the progress of what everything is looking like. I think I made more of a mess on the floor. Like, look at all of these piles, but it's okay because we're going to get it all done. Honestly, I'm doing a pretty good job at getting rid of a lot of sweatpants. I have way too many and I have more coming in the mail, so I definitely need to get rid of a lot of them. And now I have a lot more open space on this side. My original plan was just going to throw everything on the floor, but I thought for peace of mind I should not do that because sometimes I get tired and I can't finish everything in one day. So I'm doing it section by section and not throwing everything that's already up on the floor because that never seems to end well. I did my sweatpants, my jeans shorts, my yoga pants, leggings, and gym shorts, and then my t-shirts. Now I'm going to do my Sophie short type of situation and like sweat shorts and put them on the last shelf I have over here before we actually get to everything that's hanging in my closet. Shelves are done and organized. Now I'm going to go through all of the things I have that are hanging up. My friend just got here to go through some of the stuff that I want her to look through, and then my other friend is going to look through the stuff when she gets back from the other side of Florida. So I'm going to finish going through all of my clothes and I will update you in a little bit. Now the next day, and yes, I'm wearing the same sweatshirt. It's clean though. But as a little recap for yesterday, I basically got everything done in exception to hanging up the rest of my clothes because I ran out of hangers. So me and Riley went to Target to get a little basket so I can store some of my clothes in them because I don't have enough storage, and also to get more hangers, so I have to finish that today. And then there's just like a few last minute things that I need to do. I also tried to do a new hairstyle and I don't think it worked out very well. It was supposed to be like a French braid into a bun. I think it looks horrible, but I don't have the patience to fix it right now and I really just want to get my closet done, so please ignore that. We are going to finish up hanging up all my clothes and doing a little bit more organizing, and then hopefully we'll have a finished closet. Bin I got yesterday from Target, and I think I'm going to nicely put all of my bags in it. doing both my closets and my dresser, which is just half of a dresser because I share it with my boyfriend and it's just pajamas and like socks and stuff. So I think it's time to do a closet tour. I don't think I ever gave like a full tour of my closet even in my moving videos because I was planning to do a whole unpacking video and then that never happened. So this is going to be the first but not last time we do a closet clean out in my apartment in Florida. So let's do a tour. Starting off with my little shelves that I have in my closet, I like to do it by category. So these are all of my blue jeans and then these are all of my other jeans. I really like it being organized like this because it's easier for me to find what I'm looking for. So that's that shelf. Then on this shelf I have my leggings that I wear to the gym a lot, which is really these piles. I have my leggings for when I go on walks or like everyday wear. I have my biker shorts and some more biker shorts over here, and then back here I have all of my yoga pants. Then coming down here I have all of my t-shirts. I honestly love wearing oversized t-shirts, especially when I'm working from home, so I have a lot of them. And then down here I have my shorts. I have like some boxer shorts, some sweat shorts, some towel material shorts and stuff like that. And then down here I have a lot of my bikinis, my one pieces, and my cover-ups. Then up top I have all of my sweatpants and some of my beach pants and jean shorts. So I tried to organize it by color coding it and I think it turned out pretty well. So I have all of my sweatpants up here and then I have some beachy pants up here as well, which is this pile, and then I have my jean shorts over here. Then moving on, I have all of my skirts over here and I have my short dresses next to it. I feel like this was the best way to organize it. And then I have some rompers as well. Then back here in this corner I have all of my longer dresses and longer skirts, and then it goes into my long sleeve shirts, my short sleeve shirts, some more cover-ups, and then my tank tops and corsets over there. Then moving down here I have my sports bras for when I go to the gym in that little basket in the corner. I have all of my purses in the white basket. I have my little weighted animals that my boyfriend got me. I have to keep them in my closet because my puppy will try to chew them if they're on the bed. So I have my little dinosaur and my dolphin. Then I have this little storage unit thing. I don't even know what it's called, but I just keep some of my purse boxes, like my Louis Vuitton one that my boyfriend got me for my birthday a few years ago. I have some of my jewelry boxes. I have my hats and then just some extra like bag charms and my Mickey ears, and this is a jewelry box. Down here I actually have my vision board for 2026. Eventually I do want to put it on this wall. I just haven't had time yet and I don't know how to do it. I need my boyfriend to do it. And then I have my longer boots down there, going out boots and my cowboy boots because they don't fit in my little shoe organizer, but this is my shoe organizer on the back of my closet. It actually is so helpful. I love it so much. And then I just have my robe on the top of the shoe organizer. And that is what my closet looks like. Like I said, I have my sweatshirts in here. Honestly, I didn't really get rid of a lot of sweatshirts because I love all of my sweatshirts and genuinely wear all of them, but I did get rid of like I think 3 or 4, and I'm going to keep working on those. But believe it or not, a lot of my sweatshirts are actually in New Jersey, and when I go home I also need to clean out my clothes there, so I'm definitely going to do that as well. But those clothes are more like winter clothes and fall clothes, so I don't know. If you want to see a video on that, let me know, but it'll be like a shorter video probably. Maybe I'll do like a YouTube short and like also film like a TikTok or something on it. But that is going to be it for this video. I had a lot of fun filming this video. I haven't filmed one of these in a while and it was really just refreshing to be able to have my space clean again. If you know me, you know I love being in a clean and organized space and it just makes me feel a lot better. So very happy that both my closets are very clean now. And I also love how I have 2 closets. My boyfriend has his own closet that looks exactly like this one in his office. So we actually have 3 big closets and it's amazing. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.